Secret number 5, you don't need a media company to spend hours to repurpose your videos. You just need a solid system in place that tells you step by step how to move through repurposing each video on every platform in minutes. There's tons of project management softwares out there such as Asana, Airtable, and they're all available to keep you organized or to simplify your life. Or you could even use a simple Google spreadsheet to stay on track. Once a video has been created, you're going to use that same video a million different ways. You'll upload the original to YouTube to keep the same format, and once the video publishes, you can share it using a simple share button that YouTube includes below the video to platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Mix, Tumblr, Pinterest, and many more. Once you've shared it, you can upload it to a transcription service to have it automatically transcribed for your blog, aka Google. And you can use a free online converter to reformat it to an MP3 audio file for your podcast. Make sure your podcast host allows you to share with other directories so you can distribute your content even more. Mine can be found in over 15 plus directories such as Apple, Spotify, Pandora, just to name a few, despite me only uploading it once. And just like that, in less than 5 minutes, you've created a digital omnipresent brand authority across 50 plus high traffic sites that gives you high quality leads on autopilot, getting you booked and branded while you're barely working. And just know I only have a few spots left, so if you haven't done so already, make sure to book that content clarity call with me. It's anything but high pressure, and I promise I love over delivering and giving as much value as I can. So get booked now before we have to have that dreaded waitlist conversation.